I'm going to show you how you can be able to claim your project from the Giant Launchpad. So if you bought any pre-sale or you partook of any pre-sale, this is one of the ways for you to be able to just claim back your project after the pre-sale. It's quite easy. So the first thing we have to do is just go to the Connect wallet. So just make sure that your MetaMask is connected to the wallet that you use in purchasing the token during the pre-sale, or the wallet you use interacting with the site during the pre-sale. So just click and then click on MetaMask, and automatically you are in. And I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to claim your token on Giant Launchpad. It's very simple. So just go straight. Make sure once again that this is the wallet. If this is not the wallet you use in purchasing, you're not going to be seeing. You're not going to be able to claim your token, because that's the wallet is like your ID for interacting with Giant Launchpad. And what you're seeing here is the three main currencies that are used in purchasing tokens from Giant Launchpad. So if you're going to launch a pre-sale, you need either Giant token, BNB, or USDT as a means of interacting with Giant Launchpad. So any of this token can be able to interact perfectly with the Giant Launchpad. All right, so we go straight to token history, and then we go to buy. And so these are some of the tokens I've bought. So as you can see, I've gotten, this is completed. I've already claimed this. So, but let me show you how to claim back this refund, right? So today I'm going to be claiming back my Zuba. So I bought some Zuba coin. I'm going to be claiming them back right now. So all I need to do is just click on refund. And once I do that, it shows me the total of number of Zuba coin that I've bought. And then all I need to do is just click refund. And that is it. It's as simple as that. So sometimes if you are having a delay seeing the reflection on your wallet, then one of the things you have to do is to give it time. It will definitely, you've already claimed. So you can go to your claim history. Let's check from the buy history and see. So it's pending approval from the admin. This is for security reasons, but give it in few minutes. You're going to be able to just see it on your wallet. So it's as simple as that. And that is it. So God bless you guys. Remember, blessed. That's how you claim your token. That's how you claim your tokens, yeah, on Giant Launchpad. See you next time. Shalom.